today's tool tip, I'll show you something ease of use which we have done in Toolroom RN35. So it is now possible to enter a mathematical formula in numerical fields. So similar to the Excel spreadsheet, you just press equal, enter the formula mode, and then enter the required formula or calculation, and when you press the enter key, it will be replaced by the resultant calculation. So for example, I'm manufacturing a 10 millimeter ball nose. I mean the carbide diameter is 10 mil, but in your drawing it says the final diameter is 9.97. So if you are not sure what the resultant will be, you can just press equals 9.97 divided by 2, and when you hit enter, it comes out with the final radius of 4.985. Now you can also use trigonometric functions. In this, all trig functions operate in degrees. So hopefully this will make using an external calculator or something else not a necessity anymore, and you can directly enter everything in the numerical fields.